Geneva Water Damage Restoration. We provide fast, reliable water damage restoration done right in Geneva, Florida. Washing machine overflow, pipe burst, water heater leak. Unfortunately, water disaster damages do happen in Geneva, Florida. If you experience water damage in your home, who would you call? Homeowners in Geneva trust the experts at Orlando Service Pros for immediate response. Our certified technicians can handle all aspects of water damage, sewage damage, and even mold, and our work is guaranteed. We are standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to get your home or business back to normal quickly, safely, and with professional care. Orlando Service Pros provides start to finish water damage restoration services in Geneva and all surrounding Central Florida areas. Hopefully, you'll never need us. But if disaster does strike, remember to call Orlando Service Pros at 407-630-9691, or you can visit our website at orlandoservicepros.com. We provide fast, reliable water damage restoration done right in Geneva, Florida.